All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to the show again. So let's get started. Right, so today, as you know, is Monday. So basically, in terms of financial market wise, gold and euro is usually open. But right now, because we are focusing only on these four together with Bitcoin, there isn't much of a daily update for the first four. So I'll just focus on Bitcoin. In terms of Bitcoin wise, you can see that for the weekly chart, price closes a little bit on a small little bounce. No, actually, I mean, it closes a little bit of a fall, actually further, but still it actually remains above this resistance or now potentially a support region. So it does looks on the bullish momentums in terms of the weekly chart. When you look at the price action wise, you can see that there's some sort of a support wise coming in, supportive, or in that sense, is in terms of price action wise, you can see this a rejection, and a rejection. And this is some sort of like a fractal kind of pattern. So it does lean towards potential upside for this week as well. So could this be a continuation to further higher high? Well, it remains yet to be seen. But I would say in terms of short-term wise, I would lean towards the upside momentum because you do see that there's some sort of indecision over here with this small body candle. So I do expect a clearer kind of breakout, be it towards the upside or the downside. So that's the weekly perspective wise. So market structure wise, you can see this is forming a high, a higher high, a low, and potentially a higher low. But as of now, we don't have that confirmed higher low yet until this particular week itself closes with a high, thereby you'll form a higher low. That will lean towards a greater bullish momentum. Whereas right now, you still get a lower low. So market structure wise remains to be neutral, bullish in general, and strong bullish trend because you get 50, 150, and 200. But in terms of sign of weakness in the trend, you can see that the 50 simple moving average has started to slope downwards, which is the first sign of resistance. But that doesn't mean it's definitely bound to cross over and turn bearish. Rather, it could actually just slope downwards and continue slope back up again. So yeah, in terms of weekly trend, I still lean towards the neutral bullish momentum side of things. On the daily side, in terms of the closure, let's take a closer look. What you form over here is a high, a lower high, a low, a higher low instead. So this is 9076 and this is 9063. So again, similarly, what you form over here is actually a higher low. So in which case you also get a neutral market structure, bullish trend, and strong in terms of momentum wise. So there is a potential that there's a reversal. Yeah, just close on that. The alert, I'll take a look later. But basically what you get over here is still a neutral market structure. So yeah, isn't much to update or potential. But in terms of potential trade setup, so this particular trade setup should not have been, what do you call it, resulted. But if you look over here in terms of price action, it was indeed activated. And in which case, if you have actually went for a short setup, you should have been stop up, and that's perfectly fine because it's actually a, what do you call it, a typical false break approach. So actually, once this can actually closes, you can actually look for potential long setup, especially when you get a RSI's bullish divergence. But right now it's a little bit too late, so I wasn't able to enter this trade because as you can see, this actually closed at the 4 a.m. So by 8 a.m. closing, it was around here. So I didn't manage to catch this trade, so it was a little bit too late. But if you actually catch this trade, then this could have been a potential setup, meaning to say upon this candle close, what I'll do is I'll put a long right above this 50 simple moving average with stop loss right below here. And the first target, I will target along here to get the first risk to reward to get back the risk part. And then after that, the second target will be around here. Yep, there will be the potential setup if you have entered. But if you have not entered like me, then I would not enter any new trades. Because yesterday I was back testing some other new strategies. So yeah, I was putting this strategy on hold. So I missed this opportunity myself as well. But otherwise, yeah, that's the main update. In terms of looking for potential opportunities to short, I would say this region around here, which is the 9.3 to 9.4K region, it could potentially form a double top or even a triple top kind of rejection, especially if this 150 and 200 simple moving average acting as resistance. Yeah. So yeah, that's the main update for today. And until it actually forms over here, if it forms a short little pullback, breaks to form higher high, then I'll enter a long setup to ride. Yeah, but that's the price action update for today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.